internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a bit of a different type of video. So it's a Zenpop video, but it's not a subscription monthly Zenpop box. This is actually one of their limited edition packs, and I've already thrown out the pack. It literally just came in like bubble, like those flat pack bubble wrap, so it's not an actual box. And so by mistake, I wasn't really sure. I threw it out and then I realized, oh, I needed it for the video. So I thought I would just show this sheet because it kind of illustrates what's in the limited edition pack. Essentially what happens, I think, is that you get sent an email. I do think it's on their website, so really anyone can apply, but I found it through a notification in my email, and it's just an additional pack. So if you want this, you have to specially order it separate to your subscription. I didn't get any discount with it, so it is quite an independent pack. I assume you could probably get it even if you weren't signed up to the monthly subscription, and it's a very focused pack. So for this particular one, it's washi and stickers. I haven't ordered one previously. I don't know if they've had them previously, but I probably will try one in the future to see how they differ. And so I thought I could do a really quick video on exactly what I got in this pack. So just to give you a little bit of context, the cost for this turned out to be about $29 US. So how that translates to Australian really depends on the exchange rate, but I approximately like 35, maybe 40, depending on the exchange rate at the time. So the value's okay-ish. I'm gonna go through exactly what came through. I do like everything that came through, so that does make it better for me. But I'll let you guys be the judge. So I'll put this aside. And this is essentially everything that came in the pack. So I'll do the washi tape last. But as you can see, there are 4 different sticker sheets, and then it's kind of like a washi strip. So these stickers, which are so adorable, are great for marking off dates like this. So they're transparent, clear stickers, and you can put them on dates like this. Yeah. And there's a little bit of gold foiling as well. So you get one of these. I love this one, it's so cute, but it's cats. So I'm like, of course I'm gonna like this one, it's cats. Here's an example of how you can use them as well. As you guys know, I've been branching out beyond just the traditional vertical planner stickers, so I really should do a flip through of all the other planners I've been planning in. So these sort of stickers are really helpful for me. So then these next ones are bow stickers. They're 3D, which you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of 3D stickers because I feel like they don't really bulk up the planner. It more makes it difficult to write on subsequent pages later on because you've got abnormal bumpiness in the planner. So I like using this more for decoration, but I actually do quite like these bows. Stickers like this remind me of like decorating birthday cards and stuff like that. Then the next one are donut stickers, which I found really interesting. Stickers like this remind me of The Simpsons. But maybe it's also because I'm watching a ton of reruns. I don't know why it says 150 stickers, but I'm pretty sure this isn't. So I'm just going to open it up and just check. Yeah, okay, this is not 150 stickers. Maybe that's just the name. I have no idea. All right, and then this next one is a little like booklet. Yeah. So these are all, wait, what is this? Ah, okay, they're like washi strips, but they have their own backing. So it's almost like a washi sticker, and you just peel them off and use them. And it comes in this like booklet where you can just close it off like this and store it in your planner. I have a couple of these. I picked them up when I was in Japan. But if I was honest with you, I haven't really found a perfect use for them just yet because they're a set width. And for me, when I use washi tape in any of my journals, I prefer to just use the strip because I can like customize the length. But I like the concept, it's really cute. All right, let me quickly open up these washi tapes. Okay, I'm back with the washi tape. And so you essentially get 3 packs, but in one of the packs you get these beautiful, really thin strips. I use these for marking off travel dates or things that span multiple days, but the instructions actually say you can use them to highlight things as well. So to each their own, but yeah, love these strips. Then this one is just a beautiful, you know what? This reminds me of one that I recently got in Simply Gilded. I don't know if you guys remember, it would have been a couple boxes ago, but it really, really reminds me of that. It's such a beautiful, it reminds me of like Monet, like a Monet painting. The only downside is that the one that I got from Simply Gilded had like texture on it. This has no texture, so I think I already prefer this one, to be honest. And then this last one is of Mount Fuji, but it's perforated. Let's see if I can get one. Literally every mountain, individual mountain, is separated with a perforated edge, so you can use it to, I don't know. Can you? Yeah, it's not going to come up on camera. Let's see if I can pull it. There we go. Yeah. So every mountain is its own, basically, sticker. That's kind of cool. I don't have one like this. I have perforated edges that go for like 3.8 centimeters, but yeah, for each one to be like essentially a centimeter wide, this is cool. Actually, this is really cool. I like this. So yeah, that's everything that comes in the Zenpop limited edition one-off packs. I actually quite liked it. I'm still a bit iffy about whether the price justified it because I wouldn't use everything here. Like, personally, I love these two, the washi tape for sure, this. I'm not sure about the bows or the donuts, but I also do like that it forces you to kind of be exposed to different things you normally wouldn't try. So I think I would definitely give it a shot again and see what it's like. So yes, anyways, I hope you guys found this video useful. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.